Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what is the best way how you can get a good data with good price that is going to actually work in Colombia, and I'm going to present you the best eSIM providers in Colombia. So let's start with the first one, and that's Maya Mobile. I personally use Maya Mobile and also Airalo. You're gonna have links with the discounts down below in the description. And how do I use it is that I come here first and I open coverage. So I always check where I want to go. So let's say I want to go Colombia, and I'm going to check, let's say I want to go in Bogota, then I want to be in Medellin, and let's say I want to be there, and I see right here that I can use the data right there. But I know that if I'm going to go somewhere here or here, the data is not going to be available. So definitely check the coverage, because that's going to be really important for you. So you're going to get actually the data where you need. The second thing is that I check if my phone is compatible with the eSIM by pressing help here, eSIM compatible phones. And then you're going to have Apple, Android, and you're going to have all the phones that you can check. So that's something you can do and use. Now I'm going to click search and write Colombia eSIM. And as you can see, you're going to have option to have a 5 GB, of 1 GB, 3 GB, 5 GB, 10 GB of data. And you're going to choose here for how many days you actually want the data. So let's say that I want to go for 15 days. And I want to use 5 GB of data. When you would press here activate now, then you're going to get, as I mentioned, the discount 10% from me automatically. When you would purchase it, automatically you're going to get a QR code to your email that you have to activate with your phone by scanning it. And when you're going to scan it, what will happen is that you would activate the eSIM, then you can just use it. I made even a full guide tutorial with the link down below in description on how you can use it. And then when you're going to go further, you can also use Airalo. Airalo is similar comparing to Maya Mobile, and I always use it for comparison. So here I'm going to write Colombia. Okay, Colombia. And I see right here that 5 GB of data for 30 days costs $32 here. So here I'm going to have $26 for 5 GB of data, let's say 30 days. $26, 5 GB of data. Here it's $32.50 for 5 GB of data. And I think they're using the same network, so the coverage is literally the same. Oh, the only difference is the pricing. And for me, Airalo is a little bit expensive comparing to Maya Mobile, so we can just use Maya Mobile instead of Airalo. And that's about it. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. Would be happy to help you, and have a great day, and goodbye.